Cancer is a life-altering experience that can take a toll on one's confidence. Many survivors struggle with feelings of fear, uncertainty, and self-doubt. But it is possible to rebuild your confidence and embrace life again. In this video, we will discuss practical tips and strategies for overcoming these fears and gaining back your sense of self. Acknowledge your feelings. It's important to acknowledge and validate your feelings of fear and uncertainty. It's normal to feel this way after going through such a traumatic experience. For example, if you're afraid of your cancer returning, it's important to talk to your doctor or a therapist to get the facts and understand your risk. Set realistic goals. Set small, achievable goals for yourself. This will give you a sense of accomplishment and help to boost your confidence. For example, start with something simple like going for a walk every day or trying a new recipe. As you achieve these goals, you'll be building momentum and confidence. Surround yourself with support. Surround yourself with people who will support and encourage you. This can be family, friends, or a support group for cancer survivors. For example, joining a local cancer support group can be a great way to connect with others who understand what you're going through and can offer emotional support. Seek professional help. Consider seeing a therapist or counselor who can help you work through your emotions and provide you with coping strategies. For example, a therapist can teach you mindfulness techniques to help you manage anxiety or stress. Practice self-care. Take care of your physical and emotional well-being. Eat well, exercise, and make time for yourself. For example, scheduling a massage or yoga class can be a great way to de-stress and take care of your body. Embrace your new normal. Accept that your life has changed and that it's okay to be different. Embrace your new normal and move forward. For example, if you used to be very active and now have limitations, find new activities you enjoy that you can do within those limitations. Volunteer or give back to the community. Helping others can be a great way to feel a sense of purpose and fulfillment. Consider volunteering at a cancer organization or hospital, or finding a way to give back to the community in a way that aligns with your interests and passions. Learn a new skill or hobby. Learning something new can be a great way to boost confidence and self-esteem. Consider taking a class, joining a club, or picking up a new hobby. Find a form of creative expression. Many people find that expressing themselves through art, writing, or music can be a powerful way to cope with difficult emotions. Rebuild your identity. Cancer can change the way we see ourselves, and it's important to find ways to reconnect with our sense of identity. This can be done through finding a new hobby or passion, or by re-engaging in activities that you enjoyed before your cancer diagnosis. Seek out resources and support. There are many resources available to cancer survivors to help them rebuild their confidence. These include books, websites, apps, and support groups specifically for cancer survivors. Celebrate small wins and accomplishments. Every accomplishment, no matter how small, is a step forward in the journey to rebuilding your confidence. Take the time to celebrate your successes and give yourself credit for the progress you have made. Remember that rebuilding confidence after cancer is a process and it will take time. Be patient with yourself and don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. With the right tools and support, you can regain your confidence and live a fulfilling life.